Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, boys and girls? Hope you are doing good. Are you awesome? Yes, you are, because you are here with me today learning science. Today we are going to talk about matter. What do I mean by matter? If I told you that matter is anything that takes up space and have a weight. What do I mean by weight? Weight is the amount of something in an object. So how much you weigh, maybe 19 grams or 20 grams? What do you think your weight is? In science we say the weight is the mass of something. Yes. So if I told you that matter means anything that takes up space and have a weight, can you give me an example of a matter? Take a moment and look around you. Try to find me some matter. Think, 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 think. Yes, everything around you is a matter. Even the things that you cannot see, just like air, is a matter. And I'm gonna prove it for you just now. Look at my stuff. I have here a bucket. What can I do with a bucket and a shovel? I can put some sand inside. Imagine that I'm putting some sand inside. What if I'm putting sand inside? What would happen to this bucket? It will be full. After it will be full, can I put more? No, definitely no, because it doesn't have more space inside. What about the weight? Will it be too heavy? Yes, so the mass will be too big, so I cannot put more sand. What about the air? Now I can prove for you that air have a mass and it takes up space. Look at this, my balloon, it's empty. I can easily put it inside my bucket. But what if I bring my filled up balloon with air? Can I put it inside, do you think? No. See guys, now I proved for you that air is a matter, something you cannot see, but it takes up space and have a mass. Now, look with me, my friends. We talked about matter, the first word in our lesson, and I told you matter, anything that have a mass and takes up space. But I call space something else. I call it a volume. Here. Yes. What if I wanted to know how much water does this bucket takes up? So I might fill this bucket with water until it's full, and then if I complete putting, what would happen to this water? Oh, oops, it might fall down on the floor. So this is the volume of this bucket, how much space can this bucket takes up inside it from water. So my friends, we know now about matter, volume, and mass. Can you describe these stuff for me? Tell me, what does these stuff look like? As you see over here, yeah, I have some blue stuff, green stuff. This is gray, this is pink, also blue. What about the shape? I have so much round shape. Look at these. I can say these are round, these are long, and this one is a square. This one can go over here because it's round too. Okay, these are long. They look tall or long, as you like. You can describe them. And these are blue. This one is green. This one is gray. I have pink and blue. Since I'm describing these stuff, I'm talking about the property of this matter? See, I'm talking about the property of all these matter. Can you choose a matter around you and tell me what is the property of this matter? You can tell me the shape, the color, the texture, or even the smell. Yes. Take a moment. Look around you. Describe. Thank you, boys and girls. This is all for our lesson today. How about if we open the book together now and see what do we have? Opening the book. While I'm opening the book for you, please look around you and try to find some matter. Yeah, so open to page 350 and 351. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Yeah, for you. Now, matter matters. Please, boys and girls, I want you to read over here the highlighted word. The highlighted words are the lesson vocabulary. Now, find the sentences or the sentence that tells the meaning of mass. Draw a line under the sentence. What do you think mass is? I'm gonna give you a moment. Excellent! I found it. This is mass. Mass is the amount of something. Oops. I'm gonna highlight it with red. Okay. Mass is the amount of matter Sorry. So mass is the amount of matter in an object. Excellent, boys and girls. Excellent. What other words do we have here? We have matter and we have property. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass, and we know or already read that about mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. What about property? Property is one part of what something is like. Some properties are color, shape, size, and texture, just like I told you. Now, go to this page 351. Look at the objects in each row. Draw something that has the same property. So you have a green shovel, green ball. What can you put more? If I am talking about the color, can you give me something with the color green? Can you draw something with the color green? Take a moment and draw something with the color green. Now go to the next one. What about the shape? Look at the shape. We have a red shovel and we have a blue shovel. Both are long. Can you draw something that has the same shape? Take a moment and think. Oh, I'm thinking of something inside the kitchen. I can maybe find something inside the kitchen that has the same shape. Think a little bit. Yes, maybe a spoon. Yes. What about the size? Look at these buckets. I have two buckets. What can I bring something that has the same size of this bucket? Think of something. What about a texture? This texture of the ball and the donut is what? Yes, the texture is soft. Think of something soft that you can draw. Thank you, my boys and girls. Hope you enjoyed this lesson today with me. Tomorrow, do not forget to come and enter my class. We will complete our lesson. Thank you for listening today. See you tomorrow.